sexy 2001 Lincoln Town Car Signature Series. Let me show you what we did on it, guys. So we showed you guys the before. This is what it looks like after. Factory converters, total of 4 on this beast. Then we cut the Y pipe out and true dualed it 2 1/4 out the back. All the way, had to put custom hangers on it on each side. Then reused one of his tailpipes, saved us some money on it. Added a new tailpipe on this side. And then put some 3.5 inch double walled NETAMI tips like that. NETAMI always delivers. They have really good quality tips, guys. There they are, right there and right there. 3.5 inch, 2 1/4 inlet. Came out really clean, really nice. See that? Fits the car really nicely. This is where it was wide in right there, guys. And then it goes into the single muffler. So we cut all that out, opened it up, let it breathe. Stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 2008 Chevy SS Impala front wheel drive. Let me show you guys what we done to it. So it's got a built cam and everything. He just got it all built. And then he brought it to us. We left the stock cat. You know, unfortunately, we can't delete it. But it's right there. We did a resonator delete. Then pipe continues. And we did a muffler delete. As you guys can see there and there. He wanted to keep the stock tips, so we left those alone for him. Maybe later down the road, we'll change them and put bigger tips. As of right now, they're stock tips. Chevy Impala SS with a cam and tune and stuff. So let's see if we can hear a difference. Before, we couldn't hear anything. It was stock, like very quiet. So stay tuned. 2006 Chrysler 300C HEMI. Got stock converters there and there. Got factory X pipe. Then what we did, deleted the mid mufflers and deleted the mid suitcase right there and put DYNOMAX race bullets. There'll be a link in the description for them with 2.5 inch pipe. Then we did a rear resonator muffler delete there and there. And then we put some 4-inch tips there and there. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. So if you guys like the work, please subscribe, comment, and like our videos. There's the rear 2 mufflers or resonators. There's the suitcase muffler in the middle. There it is. Yeah. What'd I tell you? You like it? Yeah. He likes it. So the neighbor gonna be jealous now, right? It's over with. Right? Ah, it's so much better. It was so quiet before. That's before. That Lincoln, there was just a Lincoln that went by. Yeah. Sound decibels? 108, guys. He's happy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's definitely you, man. Them sexy tips. Think of that toe. I like it. Clean. It's a 5.3 liter front wheel drive LS4 Impala SS with a cam, built heads, and fully straight pipe, other than the cam. A little bit. Give a guess? Oh, wow, it's so much louder. That's insane. Again? Yeah, 112. I love it. One more. All right, go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. All right, back to the action. It's the last car of the day for today, guys. That's why you see the shop empty. We finished everything up. We started with 15 cars and here we go. Yeah. That's not supposed to be on the road. Let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. No rest, just clean. That's nice. Your sound decibels? Bro, it hit 116. Go ahead and back it up. That's awesome. That's better. Alright, so 300 with DYNOMAX race. Oh, that is so sick. It's so perfect. I love that sound. I love it. Lincoln Town Car, true dual straight pipes. Chevy Impala SS 5.3 liter LS4, front wheel drive, cammed, fully loaded, and fully straight piped. Here we go. We're ready for the action. You guys ready for action and satisfaction of this beautiful Impala SS? Let's see. It's definitely built. I love it. Oh, look at the little Prius chasing. What is he doing? That's hilarious. That's a perfect video right there. Chrysler 300C. It came out nice. DYNOMAX race bullets. Oh yeah, man. He's smooth.